is the grub screw which you need to create now. So to do that, so first we'll go for, this is the dimensions of the grub screw what you need to create. So M6 of diameter, M6 of the entire thing we're going to be having 15 mm depth, and we're going to have one slot of 1 mm each. So to do that, so first we'll go for ordered, and then disable the base and enable the base reference plane, and go to home, click on sketch. So click on the coincident plane as the front plane, and then go to project to sketch and say OK. These two, you select this and go to offset, take the distance as 3, click on this side, and then from here you have the overall the height is 15, and then we have 45 degrees. This is at 45 degree. So to do that, so this dimension is 15. So go to offset, take the distance as 15. So from here you take this dimension and go to line and take this intersection point at the rate 15 angle 45 degree. So, and then go to trim corner between these two, between these two, between these two, and between these two. Now once you have this, then you delete this line which is not required. Then go to close sketch. So then go to revolved protrusion, go to home, revolve protrusion, select from sketch, accept this, select this as the axis, and then revolve it through 360 degrees, and then go to finish. Then go to zoom window. So come down to near to the screen and go to home, click on thread, click on OK, click on cylinder for thread. You just click on this and click on the end of the cylinder. From the threads will be offset. You just click on this. So here we have M6 and say finish. So then we want to have a slot. So go to home, click on sketch. So click on this top plane and you take any position, go to home, click on OK. You just click on this and click on this as the project to edge. So go to offset, take the distance as 0.5. As you have not given any distance, this is only to make this screwdriver to enter here. You just go to this and remove the center line and go to trim between these two and trim between these two, and you trim it here and trim it here. Then go to trim corner between these two, between these two, similarly between these two and between these two. Then go to close sketch, then come down to home, click on cut, click on this, accept. Now you take the distance as 2 mm. So this is how we are going to have the slot which will going to make this screwdriver to be inserted into the grub screw. Now we need to go for application information. Go to material table, you make it FE410W and say apply to model. Go to home, application button, information, go to file properties, summary, you make it this as the grub screw, and then go to save, and you say fourth part which is the grub screw and say save. And this is how you will be able to create this model and comes out of the part.